Everyone, today we'll talk about how to sign out from all devices on the application of Canva. You will go to this application here as you see and you will click. In this page, you will go to above to the sign and you will click. Here in this page, you will go to this window of personal. Then you will click on settings. After that, in this page, you will go to settings like this here. After that, in this page, you will wait a moment. Then you will go to login and security, and here we click on sign out from all devices, and you can click in this window of sign out of all devices. So please don't forget to support us by like and subscribe.